In this video, we are going to show you how to customize the navigation bar of the app that you are developing or making in Emergent AI. So we are going to do a mobile app for this video, and we will be able to customize the navigation bar of the simple app that we're going to create. So again, not full stack app, we're going to go with mobile right this time, right? So the objective is build a fully functioning single page app habit tracker called Zen Habit. Core functionality data model. So create a habits table with fields, name, string, target, integer, completed count, and color, right? Logic. Users can add a new habit via model. On the main screen, show a list of habits, etc., right? So the important thing is UI and navigation customization. And as you can see here, we put it as critical. So it will focus on it heavily, right? Navigation bar style, implement the persistent bottom navigation bar with a floating action button or fab in the center. Custom styling, background, semi-transparent glass morphism effect. Active state, the active icon should have a subtle circular shadow and scale up by 10% when selected. Icons use Lucid React icons for home, insights, community, etc., etc. And then deployment. There we go. So after this, we just need to click on send, and it's going to start doing its thing. It's going to give us the welcome or prototypical introduction or welcome message, and then it's going to ask us, there we go, it's going to ask us a certain amount of questions so that it's going to be more specific with how it's going to make everything. All right, as you can see here, these are the questions that I was talking about. Navigation screen, you mentioned for nav icons. There you go. So we're just going to choose the first options for everything. So we can be fast. There we go. Next. For you, you can do, of course, differently, right? You don't need to follow this 1:1 to a T. There you go, submit. And now it's going to start doing its magic. Now, if you want to see the code, you can click on code, right? You can't see that because, again, but preview you can, right? If you click on preview, you're going to see the preview here. Right, there you go. Right, says your authentication method since you need user-specific habits within authentication. So again, we're just gonna say, since this is pretty much vibe coded, right? I want you to sort everything out yourself without my intervention. Right, click send. So it's gonna ask us certain things, but as you can see here, I'm just gonna say do everything yourself, pretty much. Right now is creating the bottom tabs layout with a custom fab and all the screen files. So we're nearing testing. So once we get to the testing phase, it's going to be the longest, but we need to be patient for that. So this is good to see. So as you can see here, I see there's an error. I need to add the React. So it fixes the error. As you can see here on the right-hand side of the screen, it says server error. Now it course corrected. It is now fine, right? So if you do that, will it be okay? Right? All right, and as you can see here, the testing agent is now live testing the entire app so far. So this is what we're gonna see. So this is going to take a bit more time. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish. And after the testing agent, we can pretty much wrap it up and launch the app with the custom navigation bar. All right, we are now done. And as you can see here, key features implemented, custom bottom navigation bar with fab, core functionality. Everything is laid out for us, insights and community, backend, all tests working, app access. We can actually test, actually web preview if you want. There we go. So as you can see here, this is mobile. That's why it's stretched out, right? But pretty much have everything. This is pretty much customized navigation bar once you set out. If you could click on preview again, right? Take your app live if you want, but you can't, of course. But yeah, that is pretty much how you customize navigation bar if you're creating an app on Emergent. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.